Listen, CurlyMeHair, I'm gonna do whatever you like. You hear me? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Video is brought to you by CurlyMeHair. They sent me this crochet hair to try for you guys. Yes, I said crochet. Look at me. It is also Slip and Slay. Your girl got her wah-wah today because listen, I had to focus. Yeah. Grab that card and have a seat. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this hair comes to us from CurlyMeHair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. We are doing another feather crochet install with the miracle knots. And let's just say I don't got a lot of time. I didn't want to be sitting behind this camera all day. So I went on and put my joints on a cap. Okay, a cap. So this is what we're looking like. I did wash my hair to get the actual curl pattern for the unit and to kind of fluff it up a little bit. This is their Kinky curly texture. However, they also have, I think, 3 other ones. They have Burmese curly, Kinky straight, and Afro Kinky curly. Me personally, for CurlyMeHair, I love their Afro Kinky curly. I feel like that's as texturized as it's going to get for their brand, so that's why I like to get that curl pattern. However, like I said, they sent me the Kinky curly texture, so I'm gonna make this one work for me. I don't really have to use a lot of leave out for my natural hair because I put the hair on the cap. I can do some different styles, but before I do that, let me go ahead and get my natural hair prepped and ready to go. Y'all know I suffer from hair loss. Okay, all up in here, surprise. I need to have a little bit of front, I think. Let me see. So let me just bring out some of my hair right here in the front. I'm gonna take out my hair around the sides like so. I'm just gonna bring all my hair up. Okay, I'm just gonna brush my hair so I can bobby pin it down. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna try 2 different styles, both of them ponytail styles. So let's see if I can make this work. I'm not gonna wear my my brown cap. I don't want that to show through this hair. I'm gonna pop it right behind that hair and around. Okay, now because this is right here, I need to make sure this is down. I'm just going to fold this in, fold that band under so it's secure. Fold that band under. You can get the version of this cap that has the combs in it. I didn't, because I do have extra combs that I could sew into this cap if I want to. I just didn't do that today. Because I don't have those combs, I'm going to use bobby pins to hold my my wig in place. Okay, flip that over real quick. I grab it. Make sure this is flipped over. I'm just going to bobby pin it going towards the middle and back, just like that. Back. It back, and then make sure I get the one in the back as well. And then I could just blend my natural hair over that. You see that? And Y'all see how flat this is? I'm just gonna take my little brush here and just brush through some of these curls to kind of frizz it up. Let me get my other brush. Keep on brushing it out. I'm gonna get the look that I want. Again, I want this to mimic my hair. And I'm just gonna pull it up like so. Pull it up, pull it up. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see what I am doing? Let me just clip this up here. That underside, you know, you gotta blend it. Mine is sliding a bit, so use the anchor braid around your perimeter if you want to do it like this. And use your bobby pins to hold that wig to the anchor braid. I'm just being real fast. Just bring it on up, real flat, real flat. Pull it in a ponytail or in a claw clip, however I want it, you know. A little bun if I want, like so. I'm gonna take some of this hair down in the front. Okay, let me do a little edge control. Just do a little bit of edges right here. Scoot down some. I feel like I'm too high up. If I want to do some little hair down here, I can do that. Kind of make it, you know, as natural as possible. Put a little edge control on that. Put some edge control on my edges, like that. Okay. And there is the first look. It is secure on my head. Looks great. For the feather crochet, because it comes with that string in the middle, if you don't loop it on that string, it will not stay crocheted. It will unravel eventually. So you have to pretty much use that string. With that string though, it's long. The texture of the hair doesn't start right at the root of your natural hair. It starts like half an inch down. I want the crochet to mimic my natural hair from the root. If you're doing the kinky straight, no problem, okay? Because you want that natural straight root. You want the sleek, you know, the sleek root. So that's good for that. But if you want like a curlier texture, you really have to get in close to that root. I don't know no other way to do it. Even if you knot it 2 and 3 times, I don't want to do that because I don't want to have any issues when I take the hair out. So I just do it the one time and call it a day. And since it's on this wig cap, it ain't coming off, okay? It's staying right on here. Y'all, this is cute. Natural hair wear right here, okay? Right here. No braids, no cornrows, no tension. You're welcome. Now, for those of us who are edge challenged, you know, thin edges or no edges, I will link a video down below so you can see how to do it. I did a similar style with absolutely no leave out, just cornrows. Trust me, it's good. But if you want to be able to blend your natural hair into your wig, this is how you can do it, okay? And it's flat because of that crochet, because of that string in the front of that crochet is giving you that frontal flat look around the edges. The string is either good or bad, depending on what install you're going for. For this install, it's good. If I wanted an all out install with no leave out, I would need a kinkier texture. I would need to tease it around, you know, my front. Did I want to do that today? No. Let me live. I don't even want to take this out. I'll do the half up, half down. Hold on. I'm gonna take this off really quick because I want to tuck my hair back under the wig. I don't need the hair in the back to be out because the hair will be down. Again, because that hair is flat, that crochet piece, they don't sit next to the cap. So the curl is not from the root. You get what I'm saying? I will bobby pin down the sides just to hold that in place. Comb it back, comb it back. Do you see how flat that is? All right, let's pop on my clip. Do you see the looks? Frizz out some of the hair, not too much. I actually kind of like the look of, it kind of looks like it's braided. I'm going to put a bobby pin in the back. I wasn't going to, but since I don't have no comb back there, I'm just going to hold that down. Brush down my edges. Let me get a little bit of my Toppik pen. Where's she at? Let's just fill that in a little bit like that. kind of tap it and then blend it in. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, cuteness. Listen, curly me hair, I'm gonna do whatever you like. You hear me? That flat crochet in there. Now, if you up close on my head, you'll see that. See those strings in there. But because I used that net cap and then I left my hair out under here, it blends really, really well. It, you know, it helps, not blend, it helps camouflage that cap and those strings really, really well. This looks so good. So good. Brushed out, it just gives me exactly what I need. Okay, I needed the bush. Another no tension style for my natural hair. Also have a coupon code, because that price can be, you know, considered a little high for some people, especially for crochet hair. But again, this is reusable crochet hair. Do I have any cons for this hair? I thought I did. I thought that the string was a con, and then I did this, so you know, not no more. I think it depends on how you install the hair, whether or not you like that string or that elongated string or not. What else? Hair texture, curl texture. Okay, I think that's it. Shout out one more time to CurlyMeHair for sending me this crochet hair. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this hair down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.